welcome back to Cruising as Crew. So today I'm gonna finally tell you what the hell I am doing in the Bahamas as promised. I know you guys have been waiting for a while for this, so firstly I do apologise for keeping you waiting. But yeah, today I am going to divulge all the information, what I'm doing in the Bahamas, yeah, the job, the cruise line I'm going on, everything. So let's get into it. So my new job is being a port lecturer, which, oh my god, I'm so excited about. It's actually a job that I have thought about doing for a long time, but I never thought I was capable of it. And then during Harding leaving Virgin and that whole palaver, it was just something that came up, and I was like, well, like, why not? Like I always tell you guys, just go for it. The worst that can happen is you don't get it, they say no. So I was like, may as well just go for it and see what happens. Anyway, it turns out that I'm kind of perfect for the job. So I'm here in the Bahamas training to be a port lecturer. So what is a port lecturer? So I mean, firstly, there's a few names for the job. Some people call us port lecturers, some people call us shopping guides, port and shopping guides. If you have been on a cruise ship before, you will have met a port and shopping guide or a port lecturer. So I will be giving lectures on the ports that my cruise ship is going to. So I'll be telling you, you know, the best places to eat, if there's any like historical sites that you need to see, basically how to make the most of your time in said port, which I'm buzzing about. It's going to be great. And I'll also be helping with the shopping side of it as well. So if there are any passengers that want to do shopping while they're in port, because a lot of people come on cruise ships to shop because of the good like tax and duty free prices. So I'll basically be saying, okay, well, if you go to this shop, you'll get the best deal there, or this is the best place to buy that. So I'll have all the information basically, which I feel like is kind of perfect, because obviously through this channel people come to me all the time and ask me for my information. So I almost feel like this job is going to be an extension of this. Like I'm going to be giving advice on the cruise ship. I guess the only difference is on here I'm giving advice for crew members, like how to work on a cruise ship, whereas on the cruise ship for the new job I'll be giving advice to the passengers on how to have a really good cruise. But you know, since I have been working on cruise ships for almost 10 years now, I feel like I'm kind of the perfect person to do that. And you know, I have a lot of public speaking experience. I've been doing it the whole time I've been at sea. I've obviously visited a lot of the destinations that cruise ships go to because I have been at sea for so long. So yeah, I'm really excited. So while I am in the Bahamas, I am doing filming training, doing more public speaking training. You can never be too prepared. Learning specific things about the ports that I might be visiting. There's a lot of ports actually, you know, because I'm going to be the expert, so I need to be an expert. I need to know what I'm talking about. I need to know, you know, where to send people depending on what they want, depending on what food they want, what experiences they want, what shopping they want, blah blah blah. So yeah, I'm really happy. I've been in the Bahamas for just under a week now and I'm just having a great time. Everyone's been so welcoming. The training has been great. Having a little trouble with the accent, but yeah, I'll probably talk about that in another video. But yeah, it's all going well. So that is what I'm doing. Where am I going? So I'm working for an agency and they work with a few different cruise lines. I am gonna go on Royal Caribbean, which I'm so excited about. So for those of you who don't know, when I started my cruise ship career back in 2015, the first cruise ships that I went on were Royal Caribbean. I went on Rhapsody first, then Legend, then Radiance. I think Legend was scrapped I'm pretty sure Rhapsody is still about though, but I don't think I'll be going on. Anyway, I'm going on a Royal Caribbean. I'm so excited. I don't know what ship I'm going on yet, but you know, it's still to be determined. But obviously Royal Caribbean are happy with the YouTube situation. You know, we've got Chris Wong, we've got Jordan on Royal Caribbean, so yeah, I'm going to be able to bring you along. So I think I'm going to be in the Bahamas for just over a month. We'll see. Cruise ship life, things change every day. So I'm expecting to be here for about a month training, and then I will be sent to a cruise ship to start my contract, which is great, But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be a port lecturer, and I'm going to work on Royal Caribbean. So the big secret's out. And yeah, I've got 3 weeks left in the Bahamas, which is just wonderful. I mean, spending summer in the Bahamas is not bad at all. Although, I will say, I've never seen rain like it. I thought being from England I had seen rain, but when it rains here, it pours. I mean, it's rainy season, it's hurricane season, so maybe I should have expected it, but I didn't. So I was quite shocked when, yeah, we've had thunder and lightning. But while I'm here, I will need to get a medical, because, you know, although I had a medical for Virgin, the Virgin medical is slightly different for the one that Royal Caribbean wants, so I'm going to have to get a medical while I'm here. And I'm just going to try and have a good time. I'm working Monday to Friday, or training Monday to Friday, so I do have weekends off. So I'll try and bring you along on some fun stuff that we do. But yeah, so that is the big secret. It's out. That's what I'm going to be doing for the next 6 months. Well, I mean, hopefully for the next few years if I enjoy it. And I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me. It's gonna be great. But also, I did just want to say that how grateful I am. I haven't acknowledged the fact that we've hit 50,000 on YouTube. I mean, I have by myself and with my friends, but you are the ones that I need to thank. And it was only the other day I was like, I don't think I have. So thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, thank you for always supporting. You know, whenever I like read the comments, I'm always like overwhelmed with how wonderful you all are and just how supportive you all are, and it means the world. And you know, I started this YouTube channel just over 3 years ago, and if someone had said to me, you know, if someone had said to me in 3 years you're going to have this wildly supportive audience and 53,000 subscribers, I would not have believed you. You know, my intention for this was to help people who wanted to work on cruise ships, but I never expected it to, I don't know, grow as big as this. So I'm really grateful. It doesn't really feel real, if I'm quite honest. Like, it doesn't, because I'm in a room talking to a camera, so you know, the fact that you're at the other end watching this is nuts. But thank you for watching this. I really appreciate you, and yeah, I wish I could give you a big hug. But on that note, you know, this channel is for you. Like, you're the one that's watching this, so you tell me what you want to see, and if I'm allowed to film it, then I'll make it happen. You know, so many people messaged me that they wanted specific interviews with crew members, and made it happen, specific vlogs, specific information, and you know, I want to give the people what they want. I want to give you what you want, so tell me what you want in the comments and I will add it to my to film list. But yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this in the comments, if you're excited or disappointed. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. I am going to be going through like 10 tips for getting a job on board cruise ships. So if you are looking to work on cruise ships, then make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss that video. But yeah, I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.